In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable AirPods Follow iPhone. So I'm on my iPhone right now and we're going to start by opening up the Settings app. I'm just tapping into Settings from the home screen, and once it loads up you'll see the usual list of options. From here I'm heading straight into Accessibility, so I'm scrolling down just a bit until I see Accessibility, and I'll tap that to go in. This section holds all the system adjustments and device behavior settings, and it's where we need to be for this. Now that I'm inside Accessibility, there's a lot on the screen, so I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom. Just keep swiping upward to move through the list. You'll pass different sections along the way, and that's normal. Just take your time until you reach the lower part of the page where the AirPods option shows up. Alright, I can see AirPods now, so I'm tapping on that. This opens up the AirPods specific accessibility settings, and everything here relates to how your AirPods interact with the iPhone and respond to different features. Once that loads in, I'm going to scroll down again because the option we want is at the bottom of this screen. So I'm just slowly moving down until I get there, and now I see the setting labeled Follow iPhone. At this point, all you need to do is toggle it on or off depending on what you want. I'm going to tap the switch to turn Follow iPhone on. You'll notice the toggle changes right away to show it's enabled. If you ever want to disable it, you just tap the same switch again and it'll turn off just as quickly. Once that's done, there's nothing else you need to confirm or save. The change takes effect immediately, so you can simply leave the Settings app whenever you're ready. And that's all there is to enabling or disabling AirPods Follow iPhone.